looking for answers in the crazy world I'm lost in.
Tell me why. Don't you cry. You know it's how this goes. It's a part of you, I suppose. So just get used to it being your fault.